One day, a strange object landed in McDonald's land.
Look, a silver flower pot.
Who's that? Hi-ho, Earth people. From outer space on a trade mission.
Trade?
Okay, I'll take this and trade you that.
Oh, I get it. Trade.
Okay, I'll take this and trade you that.
The commercial that is being played on your screen at the moment is a blacklisted commercial. We advise that you change the channel now. This commercial is believed to be haunted. If you don't do anything and continue to watch this commercial, you will experience the following side effects: difficulty concentrating, the feeling of being disconnected from everyday life, inability to recognize yourself in a mirror, and distorted faces. Please change this channel immediately. I repeat, please change this channel immediately.